In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points to your Shopify product page. Whether you're aiming for a quick implementation using Shopify's rich text editor, or seeking a more customized look through HTML and CSS tweaks, I've got you covered. We'll walk through each method step by step, so you'll have all the tools you need to make your product descriptions stand out and look professional. Let's start with the simpler method, using the rich text editor. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, head over to the Products section. From there, select the product you're interested in editing. You'll find yourself in the product description area, where you'll see the rich text editor, a handy tool that allows you to format your text easily. Look for the Show as HTML button, often represented by the angle brackets or the letters HTML themselves. Click this button to toggle between the normal text view and the HTML view of your description. Now, for adding bullet points, things are quite straightforward. Locate the bullet list icon in the editor's toolbar. It's typically indicated by 3 dots alongside lines. Once you see it, click on that icon. Simply enter your desired text, and as you hit enter, each line will automatically form a new bullet point for you. It's a quick and effective way to enhance readability and make important details stand out. After you're satisfied with the additions, ensure you save your changes by clicking the Save button. This step will seal your latest updates and make them live on your product page. If you're aiming for something a bit more visually compelling, or want your bullet points to reflect your brand's aesthetics, you might choose to delve into customizing with HTML and CSS. To begin, access the theme code by navigating to your Shopify admin panel's online store section. Click on Themes, then on Actions, and finally, select Edit Code. Within the code editor, you'll need to locate the product template.liquid file. This file is usually nestled within the snippets folder, but depending on your theme, it might be in a slightly different location. Once you've found it, you'll have the opportunity to add custom HTML and CSS, allowing you to create and style bullet points exactly how you envision them. This method gives you considerable flexibility, but remember to save any changes you make to ensure your design updates are applied. Before you wrap up, keep in mind a few considerations. Some Shopify themes, like Debutify, have built-in widgets for product bullet points, which might save you some coding effort. And if you're confident with code, you can add custom liquid blocks or use Shopify's meta fields to display your desired bullet points with more detail. Finally, don't overlook Shopify apps, available to further assist in managing and displaying product details. These apps can be incredibly useful if you're looking for a no-code solution or additional features beyond the default editor and theme settings. With these tips and options at your disposal, you can ensure your product pages are as effective and user-friendly as possible.